Students, we have already learned about present tense. Today we will delve into past tense. Past tense indicates that the action happened or took place in the past. There are four parts in this tense also. One, simple tense means simple past. Second is continuous means past continuous. Third one is past perfect and fourth one is past perfect continuous. Let us do the first one. Simple past tense. See the structure of this tense. Subject plus V2 plus object. Means V2 means second form of the verb. Means past form of the verb. While making negative sentences, the structure will be subject plus did means second form of do plus not for negative and V1. After did, we will use V1 means first form of the verb and then object. In interrogative sentences, did will come before subject and did is the second form of do, and after that V1 then object, and at the end we will put question mark. Don't forget to put question mark at the end of a question or interrogative sentence. Look at the examples now. He played cricket. With all persons, whether it is singular, plural, first person, second person, we will use second form of the verb. He did not play cricket. Here it is negative sentence, and in negative sentence second form of do will be used, and after that only first form of the verb will come. So here we have used play, not played. In interrogative sentences, did will come before subject or before pronoun. Did he play cricket? Now let us learn about the uses of simple past tense. It is used to express some past habit. Like in present tense, for present habits we use present simple tense, and for past habit we use simple past tense. Example, I like milk at bedtime, but not now. Gandhiji always took a stick with him. These examples show past habit. For past habit, we often use always, never, often, etc. Another example, it is used for historical facts or actions that took place in the past. Let us see example. India got freedom in 1947. This is historical fact. I lived in Mumbai from 1997 to 2001. This is example of past action. Another use of simple past tense is it is used to express an action finished before the time of speaking, but does not have any connection with present. Means the connection of that action is not with present time. For example, we went to a hotel for dinner. Another example is, did you enjoy the dinner? Next use of this tense is it is used for impossible wishes, means that are not true. For example, I wish I had a lot of money. It means I don't have money. Second example is if I were a doctor. It means I am not a doctor. Next use of this tense is it is used with the words last year, last month, yesterday, etc. For example, they saw a suspense movie last night. Means it shows the past time, and with these words we use simple past tense. Look at here, was and were are the past form of be. As I told you, in present tense, is and are the present form of be. Like that, was, were are the past form of be. So if we use was or were, that is simple past tense. He was a doctor or she was a doctor or they were, they are used in simple past tense. The second part of past tense is past continuous tense. The sentence structure for this tense is subject plus was were plus V1 ing plus object. Was were helping verbs are used in this tense. Was is used with singular noun or pronoun and were is used with plural noun or pronoun. While making negative sentences, subject plus was were plus note for negative plus V1 plus ing and then object. In interrogative sentences, was or were according to person will come before subject and then V1 plus ing and then object, and at the end we will put question mark. See the example for these. He was playing in the park, or they were playing in the park. Or if I'll talk about negative sentence, they were not playing in the park. In interrogative sentence, was he playing in the park or were they playing in the park? Now look at the uses of this tense or uses of past continuous tense. It is used to express an action continuing over a period of time in the past. For example, the girls were playing at 6 o'clock. Were playing. Girls, plural, and were playing. I was getting ready for school. With I we have used here was. Another use of this tense is it is used when two actions were going on at the same time in the past. For example, the students were talking while the teacher was teaching. Here both the actions are happening together, means in the past both actions were going on together. The students were talking while the teacher was teaching. In second sentence, she was watching TV while her children were playing. The use of this tense is very often we use simple past and past continuous together to suggest that something happened when another action was in progress. Means one action in progress and another happened. For example, the phone rang when I was watching TV. This action was in progress when that action happened. Here, my mother was sleeping when we returned home. This action was in progress when that action happened. When my friends came home, I was cooking. This was in progress when that action happened.